I'm Tom Settle. I'm the water treatment manager for the city of Boulder, and we're standing at the Betasso Water Treatment Plant today. And behind me is part of our construction project that is rehabilitating the plant to maintain its water quality coming from this facility. However, we've recently had a water quality violation that's related to our chlorination or disinfection process. We had to move our chlorine process to an earlier spot in our treatment process than we normally do, which allowed a longer contact time with organics that occur in the water coming out of our watershed behind us. As a result of that extra contact time, we had an increase in haloacetic acids in the water, and everyone will be receiving a letter to that situation explaining it further. As soon as we discovered that in our monthly sampling, we corrected the situation and brought those levels back down to a normal level. However, the sampling and the distribution system that we're required to do by the state showed that we had gone over the regulatory number of 60, and therefore we are required to notify everyone in town. We have chosen to mail a letter to every residential mailing customer in the city as well as the commercial users to try to be sure that everyone gets this notification. As I said, everything's been corrected and was returned to normal by the 1st of July, and everything will continue to be that way into the future.
And during the time that the problem existed, how do we qualify the water that was going into the city?
Overall, the water quality was essentially the same. These haloacetic acid levels were higher. It's considered a chronic risk by the EPA, and therefore the risk would have to occur over a very long period of time. And we estimate that the timeline was a month or less for most parts of town. We had one sample site out of 8 that actually went slightly above the regulatory limit of 60 at 60.8. However, that number was not there for very long and was brought back down.